Hey there. Today, I'm going to show you how to find the perfect ranking keyword for your blog and video content. Let's get started. First, open up a reliable keyword research tool like SEMrush or Ahrefs. These tools will be your secret weapon in finding the most effective keywords for your content. Now, think about the main topic of your blog or video. What are people searching for when they want information on that topic? That's where keyword research comes in. Step 1. Brainstorm. Jot down as many relevant keywords related to your content as possible. This will help you understand the language people use when searching for information. Step 2. Analyze. Enter your keywords into the research tool and let it work its magic. Look for keywords with high search volume and low competition. Step 3. Choose. Narrow down your list to a handful of highly relevant and promising keywords that align with your content goals. Step 4. Optimize. Incorporate your chosen keyword into your blog post or video title, description, and throughout the content naturally. Step 5. Monitor. Keep an eye on your keyword's performance using tools like Google Analytics. Adjust and optimize as needed. Follow me.